Hey, it's Seal here. I'm just going to show you a little something about surfing multiple traffic exchanges at one time, okay? If you're watching this video, of course, I will have gotten in contact with you, showed you the basics of traffic exchanges, and given you probably around 10 traffic exchanges to get started with. So these traffic exchanges you see here that I am using may or may not be the ones I gave to you. I pretty much use all the same traffic exchanges, so most likely chances are these are familiar to you. If they're not, if you see one you're interested in, just give me a shout. I'd be happy to share it with you. And also a little note here, traffic ad bar. If I told you about that, which I think I've told most folks that I'm helping, I said it gets you traffic in a variety of ways. That's one of the twists to traffic ad bar. And this, when people put it on their website, it will be across the bottom. So you can see an example of that here. So really cool, anyhow. I have 5 traffic exchanges that I am surfing at. Okay, each is in a different tab. What I want you to do is I want you to open a traffic exchange that you're using, log in, come in here, get to the main page. Okay. Click Surf. Go to your next traffic exchange that you have and are using. Log in. Oh, look, traffic ad bar. And click Surf, or in the case of traffic ad bars, click here to earn points now. Doesn't matter. Just saying, that's what it is. And then go to your, then wait for that to start loading. Go to your third one. And I'm already surfing in here, apparently. And then you go log into each one and hit the surfing tab so that you come up and you are surfing. Okay. Now what you're going to be doing is, I have 5 in a row, 5 different traffic exchanges. You look and read what you have to read for the advertisement. Click it. It's going. The counter's going. This one's going. Sometimes these are in perfect sync. Sometimes it takes them a second. You click that, you see the advertising. Start surfing on this one. These will line up here in a second. I'll show you. Okay, you wait till the timer counts down, and you will get a rhythm. Okay, I use 50, well, anywhere from 50 to 150 traffic exchanges for my own purposes, most of which I am a free member at. I will tell you that. I have a core group that I am upgraded at, but right now we're talking about free traffic. So one of the ways you can build lots of free traffic is to surf traffic exchanges in tab surfing. All you do is click on the tab. Okay, this one's done, so you click on the next one. Now I can tell you my recording software makes it slow. These will not work this slow for you. They should be faster. Okay. Blank page. Somebody didn't use a quick enough loading lead capture page. That's why I always say use your done for you lead capture pages. They load fast. See, there's one right now. That thing loaded in half a second. So now lifestyle page. So then all you do is go along, click, view the website. View the website here. And you will find things of interest to you. You'll find other advertising sites and things of that nature that you may find useful. I found a lot of my stuff on traffic exchanges. Okay, so that's what you do. The rule of thumb is, of course, you can surf these because you can have them all lined up. Any more than 5, it can kind of brain cramp your computer, depending on what kind of computer you have, the memory and all that technical BS. Short version is put 5 up here. Click along. A good other rule of thumb is to try to surf 100 pages on each exchange. As you can see, you can keep track of how many you surfed today. They will usually have that indicator here. Okay, it'll say websites today on this one. And you're cruising along, trying to find useful things. Keep track of these. When I get to 50 or 100 or more, it's up to you once you get cruising along. And then after you are done clicking for credits, please be sure to go to my account and then go to your websites and assign your credits so that they are out and running. Okay. So now you can do this, with 5 more exchanges after you're done with these, and just go right through them. I say, go through, surf those 100 pages each, and that should get you a nice steady flow of traffic from a variety of traffic exchanges, get you very good coverage, cast you a wide enough net. And that is how you surf multiple traffic exchanges using tab surfing. Now, this is not considered cheating by the folks that do traffic exchanges. There are many, many people, such as myself and pretty much every other marketer, that use traffic exchanges that surf this way. As long as you don't use a bot or script or cheat, you're opening it by hand, you're looking at what people have to advertise, providing they put a page in that loads fast enough. Okay, so you're being proper in your conduct of being a viewer, so don't worry about that. And like I said, most of these will load faster for you because you do not have recording software running. So anyway, I hope that helps. Take those traffic exchanges that I gave to you, make sure you're signed up, make sure all your links are already set up, and make sure you're surfing them, tab surfing them 5 at a time, 100 pages each. That will get you started to get you a nice, even, well-spread flow of traffic. If you have any questions, give me a shout at the contact details around this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.